Calling ko po sa buhay is, before po talaga ako magpasok po sa college ko po, iniisip ko na po talaga na, ang goal ko po talaga is yumaman ako para po, marami po akong matulungan na in need po, ganun po. Like yung mga aso, pusa, tapos yung mga in need po, halimbawa po ay yung nasalanta po ng bagyo or ng earthquake po, tulad po na nangyayari po sa atin ngayon. Gusto ko pong makahelp po sa mga nangangailangan. I think yun po yung purpose ko. Thank you!
So, I think yung calling ko, kasi I'm the type to notice a lot of people, their emotions, and especially pag architecture student ka, ang dami mong kailangan i-consider. As an architecture student, feeling ko ang calling ko is to help others. Tapos yung my design, I need to help others. Parang ganun. Parang I want to help others through my design as an architecture student and as a person. Ayan, gusto ko din yung sana magka-time ako to volunteer sa mga events and mga charities.
Siguro anong calling po? Parang split po talaga yung salita ng Panginoon po. Tsaka mahalin pa rin po ang isa't isa po natin, ang kababayan.
I think my calling sa buhay is to serve God because that's what the Bible tells me to do. Pero serving God is not just, one answer. Kasi there are many ways to serve the Lord. And in my case, I do that by doing these events for all, inviting people sa Bible studies na meron kami. And just kung nasaan ako nilagay ng Panginoon, kung paano ako mag-shine as light, kung paano ako magiging salt and light. That's what I'm gonna do because that's what the Bible tells me na dapat kong gawin. Yun lang.
Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy, Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name, Jesus.
Jesus answered, I am the only way. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus.